2009 Nissan Rogue. I'm changing the alternator. I just popped the belt off. So down on the AC, the ribs are facing the AC, and then this goes back over the top of the AC, ribs down, and then it goes under that pulley, the flat side facing the pulley, and then that's the water pump, and then to the left is the tensioner. That's where I put the 14 on. So I'm just gonna keep that on the bottom belt, and then this is gonna go back on top of that. Keep that so it stays as much as possible. And then I had to get this off, and then there's the tensioner that clockwise 14. Alright, 2009 Nissan Rogue, doing the alternator. Make sure to take the battery off, 10mm. And then there's a bracket here, 10mm, take this off. Move that. And then lift this up. And take this off. And then take off this bolt and then the bolt down there. So this is the 14mm that goes down in that hole there, down below. This is a 12 that I just took off right here, and then lift that up. And then you got this plug here, and then this bolt here. Ah, fuck.